Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review, so let's find out what is in this bag. See if I can get it all out of here. Get rid of the plastic bag. All right, this bag comes from OneDaySaving, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, I'm sure they do because it's Christmas time, so do check them out. It'll be right here and in the description box below. Also, if I have any discount codes, I'll put them there too. All right, let's start at the top. So this is going to be kind of a small mixed review. So the first thing I have is one of the bead mats because I'm running out of bead mats. So I thought I'd try out theirs and see how they look. As you know, I usually buy mine, or have in the past, from Amazon. I had a little extra piece there. I'm just going to get rid of that. And I thought, well, I want to see what other stores' bead mats look like. Now, they have plastic on both sides. These are completely washable. Don't put them in your dishwasher. But if you get fuzz or dirt or lint or anything on it, just take it and rinse it off both sides. Kind of rub your hand against it. And then just let it air dry. Mind you, it will stick to things, but it comes right off. And this is very sticky. And it seems to be nice and thick. So, yeah, I may be getting more of these from them. Because I have gotten them from other stores other than Amazon. And it was just so thin that it wouldn't hold its shape, shall we say. But these seem to be just fine, and they're very, very sticky. So, as you can see, it almost holds that, and that's got a little bit of weight to it, so very nicely done. And I just lost my plastic sheet. Hang on just a second. Okay, it's right here. Holy cow. We're doing well. And they are $2.36 at the store. And I'm not sure if you can buy them, you know, like 3 of them at a time or 6 of them at a time. Because I have a lot of beaded projects. So I keep one with each beaded project. I don't keep it on my desk so that every time I do it, you know. So I like to keep one with each project. But for $2.32, I think that is an awesome deal. All right. And you get a nice little plastic bag to reuse for something. Very nice. All right. Now the second one is a diamond painting craft. And they were $6.84 for 4. So there should be 4 in this set. Let me get it out of it. I'm going to keep that bag because I keep them together. That way nothing gets lost. And these are little, well, they're not too little. Let me get them out if I can get a hold of them. Let me just get everything out of this so we can stop crinkling. Yay. Okay, so they are brooches, and they're one-sided. And they do come with this, so you just remove the red and stick it here, and then you can pin it on your coat, on your sweater, just whatever you feel like putting it on. And let me put that down there for a second. I was going to measure. Maybe. I'm trying so hard to get a hold of that. They are about, oh, let's go from a point to a point. 2 3/4 inches across, or about almost 7 centimeters across. But yeah, I just thought it'd be a fun little project that maybe we can talk my granddaughter into doing, or I can make it up and just gift her one. And it comes, there's 4 of them, so you have them stuck together. So you have a purple, you have a green, and they are snowflakes. But I just thought they were really pretty. And if you know somebody with a drill, you could probably drill a hole in that and make it into a little keychain. But they're only on one side. They're kind of opaque-ish on the back, so that's very nice. And you have a blue one. And they are all in different shapes. You know, or designs, shall we say. So it's a nice little gift for under $10 if you know somebody that likes diamond painting and that things. That it'd be perfect. You know, I think a little girl would just absolutely adore them. So it comes with 4 of those clips, a boat, wax, and a pin. Let's take a look at the drills. They seem to be, ooh, we have 2 little guys that just didn't make the bag. They hitchhiked all the way from China. I commend them. They're still sitting there. Shows you how good the glue is on this. Let's see here. So, we have 1, 2. You have 1 through 8. Then you have A through G, so that's 8. Nope, 1 through 9, sorry. And then 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 different drills. Some are big, some are small. They seem to be all rhinestones. So you have a clear rhinestone, a yellow, with a red hitchhiker. He actually got in the bag. Then you have cobalt blue, kind of a pink, a pale purple, a little bit darker purple, or medium purple. I think it's purple. You have like a light blue. You have kind of a violet color. And we have kind of a teal drill. And some more palish pink, or I don't know what that color is. Maybe a pale yellowish color. I don't know. Then you have some marquees in, well, I guess they're not marquees. They're not teardrop either, so I guess they're marquees. If I'm wrong, correct me, please. Yeah, we have this shape, and they're kind of an oval in a yellow. You have a little bit bigger in a kind of an emerald green, cobalt blue, a little bit bigger. You have some teeny itty bitty purple ones. Just beautiful. And then you have kind of a pearl looking round one. So lots of beautiful colors, and guaranteed for a nice afternoon diamond painting, a craft that you can use. So very nice. And we're going to put this right back in here. Maybe if I work my cards right, everybody will go. Maybe. That's maybe. Oh, well, kind of, sort of, almost. So very nice. Nice project for under $7. Very nice. All right. So, and we also have a cross stitch. And it is 60 by 60. It was $15.28. It is from the Spring Company. And it comes in the lovely hard plastic envelope. Let's flip it over if I can get a hold of it. And it is that beautiful picture of those gorgeous grapes. Now this is a partial. And it is 226 by 226. And let's see. Oh, I guess this is all one thing. Usually it's just a front cover page. It has... This is all the colors. We have 45 colors. It's only full stitch. There are no mixed colors. There's no back stitching, no French knots, just straight cross stitch. Now, I'm not sure about these symbols. The top may be the canvas. We'll compare here in a minute. But let's see what colors we have. No 310 black. We have 550 purple. No 823, no 939, no 3371. So very beautiful, beautiful colors. There's some lighter shades here in the range of 33 to 38 that they may be using for a white. And it's all in a fold-out pattern. So it's divided into six pages. Page number is right here and at the bottom of the page. So this is the section for page 3, and this is the section for page 6. And then over here, let's see, there is no page number, but I think you'll be able to tell what is what. So this is evidently 2. Oh, here it is. I'm sorry. I see it now. Page 2, page 1, and page 5, and page 4. Oh, well, you know, I'm sorry. I correct myself. Let's stop the presses. Okay. So there are a total of 60 colors. You have 1 through 58 in full stitch, and in back stitch you have 59 and 60 plus number 23. So there is some back stitching. Not sure where all that comes in. Let's go again. Did I miss something? Oh, we have a bug. There's a little bug there. So he gets back stitched, and I don't see any other back stitching. I could be wrong, but, and sometimes have. I don't see any other back stitching. So where's that crazy bug? Well, that's just bizarre. Oh, I guess he's over here on this leaf. You can put it in or leave it out. It probably doesn't matter one way or another if you have an aversion to bugs. It is kind of built in. There's cross stitching on it, and then you back stitch the whole thing. So very nice pattern from Spring Company. Let's take a look at those beautiful colors. There were 2 of these. I'm not sure what the other one looked like, but I know there were 2. So, oh my goodness, that's some long thread. Holy cow. So we have greens, we have purples, lots and lots of purples, and lots of pinks. But more green, lots of green. We have brick reds, kind of that magenta red color. But I'm not seeing anything darker than those reds. So, very nice. More greens. Holy cow. Bright, bright, bright orange. And I'm not seeing, well, this is as light as it gets. That pale, pale pink. But I don't see any whites in this at all. I just like the antique look of the picture. So, beautiful pinks and purples and greens. Lots and lots. Gorgeous. And it is an 11 count. I don't know if I said that before. But, yeah. So this is going to be kind of big. Does come packaged the way Spring always does their canvases. get rid of that for a sec. Now this material is not white. It is kind of a yellow color. I wish, oh, here we go. So there is white compared to it. So it's kind of a cream color to start out with. And the material is nice and limp. It's not, you know, really stiff and hard to handle. It is serged all the way around. It does have, holy cow. Yeah, I told you this was, it's kind of big and awkward-ish. But there's a lot of stitching in that. A lot of big areas. A lot of changes of colors. But it doesn't look overly, what do you call it? Confettied. Now let me show you this. Nice big key. And what I want is that paper pattern. Let me see here. Just a second. I want to check. Make sure I'm right. I'm wrong. Okay, number 46. So, the top numbers go to the canvas. The middle numbers go to the paper pattern. So, very nice. It's nice to have an extra copy of it. In case you got this all rolled up, you can just look, you know, and see on the paper pattern. Because some kits, I do keep the paper pattern, especially it's Joy Sunday, where I have done that. They showed 2 sets of the keys, and I keep it in the window of the Joy Sunday kit, you know, the plastic bag it comes in, and that way all I have to do is just reference it real quick. I don't have to take everything out and look and all that. So, very nice. But I do like the color of this material. It's just gorgeous. Now there is a salvage edge over here, but it won't affect, you know, the pattern or anything like that. Hold please. It is 62 centimeters or 24¼ inches by approximately 59½ centimeters or almost 23½ inches. The actual picture size is 20¼ or 51 centimeters by 51½ centimeters or 20¼ inches. So, very nice. Very nice. Very well printed. I'll show it to you. We're doing this thing. You know, this happens every review. I have to roll it up or, you know, it's all over my desk or drooling all over the floor. But very nicely printed. Nice big key. I mean, symbols. Very easy to see and know where you're at, what you're looking for. Yeah. It does have its advantages of being an 11 count. So, very nicely done. Good job, Spring Company. And we will be starting this afternoon in part 2 of my review, because this is part 1. So, now, OneDaySaving does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They also have custom. I'm not sure just what field they have custom for. I should know. They have tools and crafts for all of those. They also have paper quilling and beaded cross stitch and just anything and everything for everybody. So do check them out. Thank you, OneDaySaving, for these beautiful items, kits and items. Yeah, I sure do appreciate it. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.